Hey, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And today I want to talk a little bit about hours of usage on a Panasonic Toughbook. Well, other rugged laptops also count the hours that the unit's turned on, like Getac does. Panasonic was first in the market to show the usage hours on their units. So every time that you turned it on, the counter would start clicking in the BIOS, counting the hours. Now on a Toughbook, every 10 hours, it only will click up every 10 hours. So you can use it for an hour, but you won't see that hour until you've hit 10 hours. So it adds in, it'll calculate the time used at lots of 10 hours. Why is that important? Well, a standard refurbed Panasonic Toughbook that's 3 to 4 years old, you're going to see between 5,000 and 10,000 hours. Now, the older they get and the more they're used, obviously the higher hours go. The older the laptop, more hours on the laptop does not necessarily mean there's a problem with it, because I've seen these laptops just be turned on and remain on and just sitting on a desk and not used. So that still counts as hours. Any refurb shop knows this and can let you know the hours on any of the Toughbooks. If you called us and said how many hours on the unit that you're sending, we'd be able to let you know simply by turning the unit on and checking the BIOS. You can manipulate the hours though, and the one way that can happen is by replacing the system board, because the hours are calculated and stored on the BIOS chip. So when you replace the system board, you're replacing that BIOS chip. So the rest of the components on this laptop will have many more hours if that system board's been replaced. So be wary if you have an older laptop with 10 hours on it. Doesn't necessarily mean the laptop itself is brand new. It just means the system board is. This is important because you want to get as much life out of one of these units as possible. When you buy it, it may be 3 to 4 years old, but wouldn't it be nice knowing that you could get another 3 to 4 years of use out of that particular unit? And I've seen these units last 20, 30, I've seen them up to 70,000 hours, and they're still going strong. So don't be scared of higher hours, but try to target that 5,000 to 10,000 hour range, and you'll get a long life out of a rugged laptop. Well, that's all I got for you this week. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or concerns, hey, leave a comment down below. I do answer all the comments that are left. And I'll see you guys next week.